Hey guys, I got some bad news. I got a fever and the doctor says there's only one prescription. More boosters of X-Men Rise and Fall? Pack 2, let's see what we got. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. What do we have? Oh man, this Mr. Sinister is cool. Oh, what is this? Is this a Daken? Daken? D-K-E-N? Country of origin, please? Daken. He's a super rare. Pack 3, let's keep it rolling. Yeah, what do we got? Okay. Beast. Nice. He has a little head. I'm kind of having a hard time identifying the rares in these packs, but what are you gonna do? Don't forget to stick around for part 3. Like and subscribe.